Which one? Which one? The old one or the new one?
Looking for some bar guys, it's open.
We've just just been have lunch.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Here, looking for night.
Does he continue to talk to me?
I'm confused.
Yeah? Do we go around the port or not? And then climb to the
Yes. Yeah.
reverse order. Maybe I should go to the right side. Should I not? Kind of like I'm turning for you to go to the unless you want to take pictures. I hope I have everything close. Look at 30 knots. It's sunny now.
Well, the sun is in our eyes now.
Yeah. Not supposed to pick up babies.
Well, we avoid stairs for you.
Yeah, almost. Celebrities on that big boat of ours. We're going to jump on it now. That's it. Just need to. I lost you. I can easily lose you.
No, I felt right away that you stopped within a second. Go in front.
It's blocked. It's blocked, dear. If you want to go to the left. I'll go through some boats. Look at this. It's kind of like.
Oh, look at the pigeon on top of it. Nice and cheap.
I see in terms of ports, you go from Puerto Colon, you can go to Puerto de los Cristianos or go to Puerto de los Gigantes.
It's a protected zone here.
Yeah. No time to fall. Go through this. You're looking for problem. Just go there. It looks different when you look at it from this side. Kind of at A bit quiet.
Might
Unusual.
be a bit housebound tomorrow.
There it is. Yeah.
You want to take a picture here?
Yeah, if you want. But yeah, I was waiting for it to finish. It's kind of like doesn't finish.
Yeah, we may be housebound tomorrow.
Because of the rain.
Yeah, it's 90% rain at 12 o'clock.
That's my problem. That's why you have full pensions.
Good. He's been coughing COVID and you follow her right behind
Ah,
her.
the lady?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, you can go now.
Shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem. Somebody has lost I stay behind.
I'm less than a second behind. From here would be nice because you see the volcano.
Was the giggling
This is
lady.
where if you go on these mattresses, you have to hold on and then they... In a minute you'll have a nicer view with a volcano in the background. You're gonna go on one of those. Yeah, you see? Now you have the volcano on the background. More than this.
Yeah, it's kind of your eyesight might be better than
that looks more reasonable. I don't know what they're gonna do, but
yeah.
Venga, y ahora me afuera. Hacemos, no tenemos afuera.
yeah, put all the socks and shoes there. Watch
Yeah.
out, there's a car behind you. Watch out, stay still.
So shall we go?
And then you're left. Are we too low now, Freddie?
No, come. Keep coming. It's alright.
See, my back is hurting again.
You see, those are residents as well. So you can technically stay there.
Back is hurting.
What?
My back is hurting again. Hopefully, in some minutes, the pain will go away.
It's not about pain going away. You take Neuromol and that problem is solved. If you want to solve it your way, then
Shall we go?
are we climbing? Are we climbing up there? Okay. I thought it would be... Oh, we go around. yeah.
And then you have more stairs and you end up at the car park. That's why since we stay too low.
It's okay.
Look up in front of it.
Like filming that's where they fix it.
Looking at the mountain beach.
Not so distracted.
This is where the old street. You see Hotel Troya? See Hotel Troya from here. See Arnold's Road Street.
Yeah, why they removed the sign, I think.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Why is this here?
That's that yellow telescope next to you on your right.
Oh.
It gives you